Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, here's what I've got. I've already got some tokens sitting in my wallet, and goal here is simple. We're going to swap it into XRP. Now, if you've ever tried doing this from Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, or another wallet like that, you've probably run into this. You tap swap, search for XRP, and nothing. Or maybe XRP shows up, but there's no route available. You switch networks, try a couple of things, still nothing. Most of the time, the first thing that comes to mind is, alright, I must be doing something wrong. But that's usually not it. Different wallets are built for different networks. MetaMask is built around EVM chains, native XRP runs on the XRP Ledger, and even if a wallet supports both, it doesn't always know how to swap directly between them. It really depends on where your crypto is sitting and whether a swap route exists, and that's where a lot of users get stuck. Some send their crypto to a centralized exchange, others start looking for bridges, a few even install another wallet just to finish one swap. You don't have to do all that. There's a much easier way, and that's what I'm going to show you. So real quick before we keep going, stick around until the end because there are a couple of things I'd like to point out along the way. They're easy to miss, and knowing about them can save you from picking the wrong network or making a transaction you didn't mean to send. So a few weeks ago, I needed to swap into XRP myself. I figured it'd be done in a minute, opened a couple of wallets, and pretty quickly realized every option wanted me to move my crypto somewhere else first, create another wallet, or go through an exchange just to complete one swap. So I started looking around, tried a few different options, checked which ones actually worked the way I needed, and even used AI to help narrow everything down. After testing a few services, this was the one I kept coming back to. I can swap directly from the wallet I'm already using, and native XRP gets sent straight to my address without a bunch of extra steps in between. Alright, first thing we're going to do is open the platform. I'll leave the official link in the pinned comment below the video. I just use that one instead of searching for it yourself. Fake crypto websites are everywhere these days. Some of them look almost identical to the real thing. Just take a second and make sure you're opening the right site before connecting your wallet. Alright, first I'm going to choose the token I want to swap. In my case it's USDT, but you can pick pretty much any supported asset here. What I like is the platform supports a lot of different networks, so I don't have to swap into some intermediate token first. I can go straight from the crypto I'm already holding into XRP. Now I'll type in the amount, and you'll see the estimated amount of XRP update automatically based on the current rate. Makes it really easy to check everything before moving on. If we scroll down a bit, you'll see a live market table right here. Nice to have if you want to check current prices real quick without opening another tab. I use it every now and then just to get a quick idea of where everything's trading. Alright, now I'll click connect. From here, I'll choose the network where my crypto's sitting. Then I'll pick the wallet I want to connect. Doesn't really matter if you're using Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, or another supported wallet. The steps are pretty much the same. There we go, wallet's connected. Now I'll click swap, and before I confirm it, this window pops up with all the transaction details. Right here, you can see the token I'm sending, the estimated amount of XRP I'm receiving, along with the network information. I always give the screen one last look. Network, wallet address, amount. It takes a few seconds, and it's a good habit to have. And if I want the XRP to go to a different wallet, I can switch over to this tab, enter another receiving address, and that's it. Good, there it is. Took maybe a couple of minutes and XRP is already in my wallet. No extra wallets, no moving crypto between different platforms, just a straight swap from start to finish. XRP is now in my wallet, ready to use. I can send it somewhere else, keep it here, or use it however I want. Everything's handled directly from the wallet. Hopefully now you've got a much better idea of how this works. Not just which buttons to click, but also why this issue comes up in the first place and how to get around it without making the whole process more complicated than it needs to be. If you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll take a look and help out if I can. I've been using this method with different wallets and different networks for a while now, and it's worked consistently every time I've needed to swap into XRP.